Hey everyone, welcome to the video. I want to talk about what happens when your computer doesn't doesn't complete its power on self-test, and what to do if you don't have any good way of troubleshooting with your motherboard. In terms of, it definitely doesn't have a Q code LED, and it possibly may not even have troubleshooting lights. And well, that's when this little guy here comes in. It's a motherboard speaker, okay? So let's get on to it. So here's my computer, and well, I've taken every stick of RAM that I have out of it. And down in here is 4 pins right there, and that is where the motherboard speaker will go. So we're going to do it with the positive end to the left. Okay, do want to share that this board of mine does have troubleshooting LEDs, but the purpose of this is to show the motherboard speaker. Alright, so I've just turned the computer on at the power supply. I haven't pushed the power button quite yet, but the idea of this is that when I turn the computer on, it's going to try and do a post test. Obviously on my computer I will get a troubleshooting light stay on the DRAM, but I'll also get a beep code. That's what the motherboard speaker does. It will give a beep code to signify that there is a RAM issue. You can also get beep codes for like video issues. There's a varying amount of beep codes, okay? And each code means something different. It could be 3 short beeps, it could be 1 short, 1 long, it could be 2 long, 1 short. There's a varying amount of beep codes, and well, let's see what the RAM one sounds like. Okay, well, let's turn her on. And there we have it, 1 long beep. I'm saying 1 long, I know it beeps about 4 or 5 times, but that beep was just on repeat. That was 1 excessively long beep, I'll be honest, but beep code. So let's now see what happens when I plug all of the sticks of RAM back in, or even just one of them, but we'll plug all of them back in, and we'll see what the beep does now. Okay, so that's the RAM plugs back in. Computer's turned on again at the wall. So let's get on to it, shall we? Let's push the power button and let's have a listen to that beep code again. And there we have it. But that took a little while to beep. That actually made me a little bit nervous. The system thinks I've changed the memory. See? Gonna enter the BIOS. There we go. So the overclock is applied. Beautiful. The system knew I made a change. I believe I'm going to have to redo the lighting on the RAM as well, but hey, definitely worth it. For the sake of the video. But yes, the motherboard speaker can let you know of other problems, like I said, video problems, CPU problems, I think boot device problems as well. There's the beep again for posting. And yeah, so if you are having any issues with your setup and you can't quite figure out why, seriously, get yourself a motherboard speaker. It could actually save you a lot of headache, just even having one just lying around just for the sake of just in case. And it's definitely a tool I use quite a bit at work. Just putting a speaker in just to make sure that it all works, and if it doesn't work, I know exactly what the issue is, because I can, at the very least, if it's a beep code I haven't heard of before, it's something that I can go and search of. Let's say my board's an Aorus, so gigabyte motherboard beep codes or ASUS motherboard beep codes. But anyway, I hope that you all enjoyed this video. I actually had a lot of fun making it. Hey look, the lighting still works. Don't have to change the lighting. But yes, hit that like button down below and that subscribe button, and I hope to see you all next time in the next video. See ya.